uh, NBC News, U.S. television network. Premier Lee, there is increasing concern that China will displace the United States as the world's leader, and a lot of talk of a trade war as punishment for what critics describe as unfair trading and industrial policies of an authoritarian state-led economic model of China. So, Mr. Premier, in your view, what measures can be taken to address America's concerns and prevent a trade war? Do you still believe that dialogue can resolve what looks like an imminent threat? And what can China do in the event of a trade war? Would you, for example, use your China's vast foreign exchange reserves and massive holding of American debt? Thank you.
Indeed, we have heard much talk about a possible trade war between China and the United States recently. We believe that a trade war does either no good, no one will emerge a winner from a trade war, and if one does have to use this so-called word war to describe trade, it would be going against the rules of doing trade, because you do trade with negotiation, consultation, and dialogue. So what we hope is for us to act rationally instead of being led by emotions. We don't want to see a trade war. Last year, China-US trade reached $580 billion. The two countries have been doing trade on the basis of business rules and market principles. Otherwise, it would have not been possible for us to have such a big volume of two-way trade. Trade deficit, a large trade deficit, is not something that we want to see. What we want to see is balanced trade. Otherwise, this kind of trade would not be sustainable. Just now, I also listed some further opening steps that China is going to take, covering services, manufacturing, and products. We believe these will bring opportunities for American businesses too. At the same time, we hope the United States will also ease its restrictions concerning exporting high-tech goods or high-value-added goods to China. The intellectual property rights will be fully protected. We hope this important means for balancing China-US trade will not be missed, because that would be missing the good opportunity for making more money. China makes diversified investments of its foreign exchange reserves on the basis of market principles, and China will remain a responsible long-term investor. China and the United States have a relationship between the world's largest developing and developed countries. Our economies are highly complementary. A stable China-US relationship is in the interest of both countries and the whole world. I think it is unnecessary to worry about China's development. Thank you.